Okay, in this graph, uh, when we consider it, you will see that it are uh, it are event and half wave, and this graph we will find the period, and the period is from this to this graph. When we calculate it equal to 12. Okay, period is equal to 12. Okay, when we know that it are even and half wave function from the table, half wave and even symmetry, right, is an is equal to 0 and bn equal to 0. Damn อัดใหม่ก็ได้สัตว์ Okay, for the our graph, I will see it's odd or even function first. For the even function that we use for proof. Sorry. Okay, choose the fourth position. I will choose 1.5. Minus 1.5. You will see that at 1.5 is equal to 1 and for the minus 1.5 is equal to 1 too, so it's even function. Is even function, and you want to know is half wave or not too, right? So we will use this equation. Okay, we don't know about period, so we will find the period. You will see that at this point to this point is one circle of this graph, so is our period of this graph, so the period is equal to 12. Okay, we will use the same position, that is 1.5 again. 1.5 half of 12 is 6. Okay, for 1.5 is equal to 1, and for the minus 1.5 is minus 1. Minus and minus is plus, so 1 equal to 1 is 2, so it's half wave too. Okay, we know it's even and wave, right? So for the formula, we will know that A0 is equal to 4 over period over 4 and ft tip t, and for an is equal to 8 over period 0 to period 0.4 ft cos n omega naught t dip t, and for the vn is even, so it's equal to 0, so we don't need to fight. And for the formula of Fourier is ft a0 plus an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin omega naught t. Okay, but we know bn is equal to 0, so we don't need to think this part. We think about this and this. So okay, I will find a0 first, but before we find value of we will find a0, right? But we don't know function, so we will find function first for the calculate an and a0. Okay, for the function for about the length that we used to know, we used to think about it, we will use boundary between 0 until period over 4, right? Period over 4 is 12 over 4 is equal to 3. Okay, we will think about this part. Okay, we will see that during 0 to 1, 0 to 1 is our function is 0, and and during 2 and 3 is equal to 0 too. So we will think this part, we will think only this part, because this and this is equal to 0. So we will find about this part, and you will see that the slope of two sides is not equal. For about this side is positive, and for this side is minus or negative. Okay, so we will separate to think it. Okay, I will find this part first, but okay, for the first before find it, we want to know slope. Slope is equal to delta y over delta x. Delta y is 1 and delta x is 0.5. So our slope is equal to 0. To 2, sorry. When we got the value of slope, next we will find the value of c by use equation m y equal to mx plus c. Okay, we know slope, right? Slope is equal to 2, and we want to find we were interested about this graph, so I use as one position, so I will use this is 1 and 0 and substitute in this equation y is equal to 0 and x equal to 1 plus c. So the value of c is minus 2. So for this equation, okay, I will change color. Okay, for this equation is equal to ft is equal to 2x minus c, and okay, we will find the next equation. for this okay, we will find slope first uh, by use this formula. Delta y is, oh sorry, but it's -1 because its slope is down. Delta y is 1 and delta x is 0.5, so it equal to -2. Okay, and we use this position to find c. This position is 2 and 0, 0 and -2 x2 plus c. So c is equal to 4. So for this equation, ft is equal to -2x plus 4. Oh, sorry. It's for this is equal to okay, is equal to -2. Okay, when we find function already, so we will start to calculate a0 first. A0 is 4 point period is 12, integral 0 until 12 over 4 is 3. ft is we have two functions, right? So we will practice together. ft1 Okay, sorry. For x, we will use t instead. F1 is is equal to 2. Okay, and find the value of an. T ft1 cos n omega naught t div t plus okay, I will find the value of integrate for this first. I will change color. Sorry. Oh, we don't know omega naught, right? So omega naught is equal to omega tops period and 2 pi over 12. So our omega naught is pi over 6. Okay, I will change first. Indicate chord ได้ลบซ้าย plus indicate chord ได้ซ้าย indicate ซ้ายได้ It's by part. So we will got the value is say first. You do first. In between 0 and 3, and view, and this is for this, and now we will calculate this bypass again. It's minus 2 indicate cos ได้ลบ sin and diff 2t is equal to minus 2. Sorry, is equal to 2. Okay, I'm wrong. And differential again, differential constant is 0. So integrate sine ได้ cos is minus cos and okay. And is minus. And put the value and find the final value is 6 minus 2. Did you? I'm really sorry. I forgot to delete T because it's deep. It deep instead. So I forgot it. That's why I think it's something wrong. Okay, do call n pi 6 and cos minus 2 3 is equal to minus 0. This is 0. And for cos 0 is equal to 1. Minus. Oh, sorry, it's 1, right? And plus minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. N pi t over 6. Minus 2. Psi is 0, and for the last one is minus 2 is equal to minus 1. I think I'm wrong something. Okay, and n pi okay, I will resize to easier to see it. It's 4. It's minus 4 psi n pi. Minus is okay. We will got the formula of Fourier series. For the formula of Fourier series is ft is equal to a summation of n equal 1 infinity a n cos n omega naught t. Okay, a0 is 2 and summation of n equal to 1 a n. I will use this. Okay, and it's cos n omega naught. N omega naught is okay, and we want to find the seventh. So I will instead I will put 7 instead in. Rho 4 minus 4 sine 7 pi to 7 pi 6 over 2 cos 7 pi to 7 pi over 6 square and minus 2 over 7 pi over square plus 2 sine 7 pi over 2 7 pi over 6 cos 7 pi and this is the result that I verify from MATLAB.